Have you ever been in an interview and all of a sudden the microphone started reverberating the sound it should be transmitting? It's really upsetting to work with a mic that is echoing or to have the echo interfere in the middle of an interview session or chat party. What causes echoing in a microphone? There are many reasons why a microphone will echo. It may be as a result of the interference between the mic and other electronics in the background. A problem with how the mic is connected. Noise from the speakers surrounding it. Or even because of bad weather. Whatever the case, getting rid of the problem generating the echo will take care of the issue. Except where there is another underlying problem that is not identified. General ways to handle an echoing microphone. When the echo from your mic is caused by any of these basic problems, here are some quick fix ways to handle it. Echo caused by interfering speakers or electronics. If you determine that the surrounding speakers and electronics are producing sounds that are knocking off on the mic, the first approach is to turn them off. If a phone is sitting close to a microphone, it might receive sound waves of a different frequency from the mic which will cause echo. Turning off the phone or taking it away from the mic will remove the echo. As for speakers, if you have two speakers interfering with each other and reflecting on the microphone, then move them slightly from facing each other. Also, wearing headphones may help to cancel out the noise from the speakers. Echo caused by recording devices. It may happen that you have other devices set to record in your PC or DAW at the same time with your microphone. These devices may interfere with your microphone and cause echoing. In this case, go to Settings and select Properties. Choose Audio Preference and turn off every recording device, leaving only your microphone. Echo caused by internet disruption. When you are using your microphone over an internet connection, it may happen that your network is disrupted in the cause of your recording. This will cause an echo in the system. Check your internet connection and reset it to get your microphone back to functioning properly. Echo caused by bad weather condition. Have you ever recorded an audio session during a storm? Unfortunately, echo caused by bad weather conditions never goes away until the weather clears. If your microphone begins to echo during bad weather, it means that you have to wait until the weather improves. Recording during bad weather may damage your devices as there may be power surge and other related issues. Extra tips to fix echo on mic. How to fix echo on your Windows 10 PC. A microphone on Windows 10 can give off echoes when you speak into it for some reason. If you notice that your mic is echoing, or people listening to you complain about hearing an echo, you can start handling this by reducing the volume of your microphone. You should also move away from walls and other surfaces that reflect sound. If this doesn't work, here is something else you should try. Go to the volume icon at the right lower end of your screen. Right-click on it and select Recording Devices or Sounds. Open Recording, click on Microphone. Then select Properties at the lower right end of the box. In Microphone Properties, select Listen and unclick Listen to this device. Go to Enhancement and deactivate all. Adjust the volume of your microphone on levels. This will help to resolve the echoing issues. How to stop your Xbox mic from echoing. When using your Xbox, make sure you are wearing your headset and not relying on the internal mic. The internal microphone is more likely to cause echoing. If you are wearing a headset and the mic is echoing, check if the output of your Xbox is set to give back sound from the speakers and headset. If so, change our settings as follows. Open the guide for the Xbox by clicking the button. Press Settings, then go to General. Click on Volume and Audio Output. Go to Party Chat Output. Then, choose Headset. Now that your output is set to headset, the echoing should be resolved. Check to see if you still have echoing issues. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site zimix.com for more awesome mic tips like this.